Hello students, in present video I am going to explain about second problem from bank reconciliation statement chapter. I am making this video for degree first year students. I am taking this question from Kalyani Publications. Authors Jain and Narang. First problem video link is available in the description box. I am leaving in iCards also. Let us see the question first.
On 31st March 2016, a merchant compared his passbook with his cash book and found the following differences. First one, checks amounting to 2,500 were paid in on 27th March, out of which checks of the value of 800 rupees were credited in the passbook on 4th April. Second point, checks totaling 4,000 rupees were issued during the month of March, out of which checks of the value of 900 rupees were debited in the passbook after 31st March. Third point, there was a debit of 20 rupees for bank charges in the passbook. Fourth, there was a credit of 50 rupees in the passbook for interest on current account. Fifth, an entry of 100 rupees of a payment by a customer direct into the bank appears in the passbook. Sixth, bank column on the payment side of cash book was found to be overcast by 1,000 rupees. 7. Interest on investments amounting to 200 rupees collected by the bank appeared in the passbook. 8. Insurance payment of 300 rupees paid by the bank on behalf of the merchant appeared in the passbook. These are the reasons. Finally, what is asking? The merchant's cash book disclosed a debit balance of 7,595 rupees on 31st March. Prepare a bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March 2016. This is the question. Let us see the solution for this.
See the last sentence. The merchant's cash book disclosed a debit balance of 7,579 on 31st March. Prepare a bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March 2016. BRS preparation date is 31st March 2016. And in question is giving that debit balance as per cash book. So in first problem clearly explain. As per cash book debit balance or as per passbook credit balance means favorable bank balance. Similarly, as per cash book credit balance or as per passbook debit balance means unfavorable bank balance, overdraft bank balance. In present problem, favorable bank balance as per cash book is given in the question. With this balance, we have to start BRS.
This is bank reconciliation statement format. Heading, bank reconciliation statement of. In question, firm's name is not given, no? Therefore dash. As on 31st March 2016. As on we are writing. Means BRS we prepare on a particular date. Columns, particulars, amount, amount. First amount column is known as inner amount column. Second amount column is known as outer amount column. In particulars, first we have to start with bank balance as per cash book. In question, there is no information. No? This is favorable or unfavorable bank balance. Regarding that, there is no information. So means this is favorable bank balance. So we have to write favorable bank balance as per cash book. In outer column, 7,579. To this balance, some reasons we have to add and some reasons we have to subtract.
In question, favorable bank balance as per cash book is given. No? In first problem, clearly explain the rules of preparing BRS. When favorable bank balance is given, which rules we should follow? When overdraft bank balance is given, which rules you have to follow? So let us recollect the rules for favorable bank balance. Because of a bank transaction, if firm's favorable bank balance is increasing, in cash book on debit side it should be recorded and in passbook on credit side. Because of a bank transaction, if a firm's favorable bank balance is decreasing, in cash book, on credit side we have to record the transaction and in passbook, on debit side we have to record this transaction. So these rules are very important to prepare BRS. First reason for disagreement is checks amounting to 2,500 were paid in on 27th March, out of which checks of the value of 800 were credited in the passbook on 4th April. Checks amounting to 2500 were paid in. Paid in means what? Firm deposited 2500 worth checks into bank. So firm prepares cash book. No? In cash book, we said they record this transaction. So when we deposit checks into bank, we assume that bank collected that amount, deposited in our account, bank balance is increased. In cash book, we also increase our bank balance. Increase means which side? Debit side. Debit side, 2500 bank balance we increased in March month. But what happened? Out of which checks of the value of 800 were credited in the passbook on 4th April. When we are preparing this BRS, 31st March. So by that date, what happened? That only we should consider. 800 worth the check is deposited in next month. So 2500 minus 800, 1700. He is not giving anything about that 1700 worth the check. Meaning is this 1700 check amount is collected by the bank by the end of 31st March. Means as per passbook, bank balance is increased by 1700 rupees. So in cash book, when we debit any amount, in passbook it should be on credit side now. Bank credited, but how much? So by the end of March month, only 1700 worth check was collected by the bank. Then bank deposits 1700 in our account, and in passbook bank credits only 1700 rupees. So here 2500 is debited in cash book, but in passbook only 1700 is credited. So there is a difference. Because of this reason, there is a disagreement between bank balance as per cash book and passbook. Now what to do? See which book balance is given in the question. That is very important to us. Bank balance as per cash book is given in the question. Then the rule is adjust cash book as per passbook. So as per passbook, bank balance is increased by 1700 rupees only. But what we did? We increased 2500. How much extra we increased? 800 rupees. Now that 800 rupees, if you decrease in cash book, then in 2500, 800 and this 800, both will get cancelled. So in 2500, if 800 is cancelled, remaining amount is 1700. So finally, as per cash book, 1700 bank balance is increased. As per passbook also, 1700 bank balance is increased. So finally, our answer is this. 800 we have to decrease in cash book. So decrease means minus. So to that amount, some reasons we have to add, some reasons we have to subtract. This is 800 reason we have to subtract.
Under subtraction, first point, checks are deposited but not collected. In inner column, 800 rupees.
Second reason for disagreement. Checks totaling 4000 were issued during the month of March, out of which checks of the value of 900 were debited in the passbook after 31st March. So firm issued checks for 4000 rupees. Issue means what? Payments. So firm has to pay 4000 rupees to suppliers. Instead of paying in cash form, firm issued checks to them. Firm assumes that suppliers went to bank, they presented the checks and they took money. So bank balance decreased. With the firm, cash book is there. So in cash book, decrease means which side? Credit side, no? When firm issues checks, on that day only, firm credits 4000 rupees in cash book. Suppose supplier went to bank and presented the checks, he withdrew the money before 31st March. In that case, in passbook also it will be recorded. Which side? In cash book credit side means in passbook that amount should be recorded on debit side now. But what happened? Out of which checks of the value of 900 were debited in passbook after 31st March. Means one supplier to whom we gave 900 worth check, When he went to bank and took the money? Not in March month, in April month. So we are preparing BRS on 31st March now. So by that date, what happened? That only we should consider. So by that date, 900 worth check was not presented in the bank. And what about the difference? 4000 minus 900, 3100. In question is not giving anything about that. Means this 3100 worth check was presented and suppliers took the money in March month only, before 31st March only. So how much they took, that much only bank records now. So bank recorded 3100 rupees on debit side of passbook. See, there is a difference. As per cash book, bank balance is decreased by 4000 rupees. But as per passbook, bank balance is decreased by 3100. So because of this reason, there is a disagreement between balances as per cash book and as per passbook. Now what to do? In question, favorable bank balance as per cash book is given now. Then the rule is adjust cash book as per passbook. As per passbook, what happened? Bank balance is decreased by 3100. But how much we decreased here? 4000 we decreased. How much extra we decreased? 900 rupees. Now that 900 if you increase in cash book, then final effect is as per passbook 3100 is decreased, as per cash book also 3100 is decreased. So finally our answer is, in cash book we have to increase 900 rupees. Increase means which side? Debit side. Debit side 900 if you increase. Then in 400 900 and this 900 both will get cancelled. Finally here we have 3100. So bank balance is decreased as per passbook with 3100. As per cash book also there is a decrease in bank balance with 3100. Now this is our answer. Answer is coming as increase. Increase means add. So this 900 we should add to that favorable bank balance as per cash book.
Under additions, first point, checks issued but not presented, in outer column 900 rupees.
Third reason for disagreement is there was a debit of 20 rupees for bank charges in the passbook. Bank provides so many services to us. They collect our checks. If we issue checks to anybody, they pay the money to them. So they collect different incomes in favor of us. They make payments on our standing instructions. All these services are not at free of cost. Time to time, bank charges some amount. How they charge this? Our account is there now. From that account, time to time, bank deducts some amount towards bank charges. So first who knows about this? Bank people, because they are only deducting. With their passbook is there now. So first it was recorded in passbook. Which side? When they take bank charges amount from our account, our bank balance decreases now. As per passbook, bank balance decrease means debit side. So debit side, bank recorded 20 rupees. So as per passbook, 20 rupees debited. Bank balance is decreasing. So in cash book, which side we should record? In passbook, debit side means in cash book it should be on credit side. But see here, there was a debit of 20 rupees for bank charges in the passbook. In question he is giving that in passbook 20 is debited. He is not giving any information about cash book. In cash book, whether that is recorded or not, there is no information. Here you should know BRS concept. So in question he is giving the reasons for disagreement now. Means all these points are what? If recorded in one book, not recorded in another book. Otherwise, if recorded wrongly in one book, recorded rightly in another book. He need not to give separately. Here he is giving that 20 rupees debited in passbook. So we should understand that same amount is not credited in cash book. He need not to give that point. So there is a difference. Now, which book balance is given in the question? Cash book balance. So rule is adjust cash book as per passbook. So as per passbook 20 rupees decreasing, we should also decrease in our cash book. Decrease as per cash book means which side? Credit side. So credit side 20 rupees we should record. Effect is bank balance as per cash book will get reduced by 20 rupees. Now both are same. As per passbook there is a decrease in bank balance. As per cash book also there is a decrease in bank balance. Amounts are same, 20 rupees, 20 rupees. Now this is our answer. Our answer is coming as decrease. Means we have to subtract.
Under subtractions, second point, bank charges debited in passbook only. In inner column, 20 rupees.
Fourth reason, there was a credit of 50 rupees in the passbook for interest on current account. In passbook, there was a credit of 50 rupees towards interest on current account. You know, this is current account related passbook. So business people maintain current accounts now. And in question is giving that there is a favorable bank balance. So on favorable bank balance, even though it is current account, few banks allowed interest to us. So this bank allowed interest on this favorable bank balance. Amount 50 rupees. So how they give this amount? Our account is there now. They deposit that 50 rupees in our account. Means who knows about this? Bank people, because they are only giving this interest amount. Means in which book it is entered? With them passbook is there. In passbook. Which side? When they deposit 50 rupees, firm's bank balance increases. As per passbook, increase means credit side now. So credit side 50 rupees increased. In passbook credit side means in cash book it should be on debit side. See here, there was a credit of 50 in the passbook for interest on current account. He is giving that in passbook 50 rupees credited, but there is no information about cash book. So we should only understand now, in one book recorded means in another book not recorded. That is why this 50 is a reason for disagreement he has given in the question. So we should understand that nothing was debited in cash book. Now which book balance is given to us? Cash book. Therefore rule is adjust cash book as per passbook. As per passbook, bank balance is increased by 50 rupees. In cash book we should also increase. Increase means which side? In cash book debit side no? 50 rupees increase in cash book. This is our answer. Our answer is coming as increase. Means we should add this 50 to that bank balance.
Interest on current account credited in passbook only. In outer column 50 rupees.
Fifth reason, an entry of 100 rupees of a payment by a customer direct into the bank appears in the passbook. Customer knows our bank account number, bank details. So instead of coming to our shop, instead of giving that money in cash, directly he deposited that money in our bank account. So first who knows about this? Bank people. They are maintaining passbook. So this 100 rupee was entered in passbook. Which side? When customer deposits that money in our account, our bank balance increases. As per passbook, increase means credit side. 100 is credited in passbook. But we don't know about that. Means nothing was debited in cash book. So there is a difference. Now which book balance is given to us? Cash book. Rule is adjust cash book as per passbook. As per passbook, 100 is increased. We should also increase. Increase means which side? Debit side. Finally, this is our answer. Our answer is coming as increase. Means this 100 rupee we have to add to that bank balance.
Under additions, third point, amount paid by customer directly into firm's bank account. In outer column, 100 rupees.
Seventh point, bank column on the payment side of cash book was found to be overcast by 1000 rupees. This is triple column cash book now. Debit side one bank column will be there, credit side one bank column. Debit side bank column is known as receipt side bank column. Credit side bank column is known as payment side bank column. In cash book, accountant did one mistake. That is, while calculating the total of credit bank column, 1000 rupee is overcast. Overcast means what? Extra totaled. So payment side 1000 rupees extra they wrote. What is the effect on bank balance? Favorable bank balance decreases. So when payments are more, bank balance decreases, no? So decrease means in cash book which side? Credit side. So the final effect is cash book bank balance is decreased by 1000 rupees. Here credit means in passbook which side it should be? Debit side. But when we do one mistake, is there any rule that bank people also do that mistake in passbook? No. When any mistake is committed in one book, what is the meaning of that? In another book, there is no mistake. So, as per passbook, nothing was debited. But as per cash book, unnecessarily, we credited 1000 rupees. We decreased bank balance as per cash book. But as per passbook, bank balance is constant because there is no error in passbook. Now, what to do? Bank balance as per cash book is given in the question. So rule is adjust cash book as per passbook. As per passbook, bank balance is constant. But unnecessarily we increased. Now what to do? We have to cancel this. How to cancel? Decreased 1000 if you want to cancel. Again you have to increase 1000 rupees. Increase means which side? Debit side. So finally this is our answer. 1000 rupees we have to debit. We have to increase in cash book. Answer is coming as increase, means plus. So 1000 rupees we have to add to that bank balance.
Under additions, fourth point, overcast on the payment side of cash book, 1000 rupees.
Seventh point, interest on investments amounting 200 rupees collected by the bank appeared in the passbook. Interest on investments. Our firm invested their savings money somewhere. Suppose we purchased government securities, public limited company debentures. So time to time we should receive interest on that. So we have given that responsibility to our banker. Commercial banks provide so many services to its customers. So in favor of the firm, now banker is going to collect that interest. We are maintaining account now. They collect that interest and that interest will be deposited in our account. In question is giving that bank collected interest on investments. So first who knows about this? Bank people only, because they are only collecting. With them passbook is there. So in passbook this 200 was entered. Which side? When they deposit this interest in our account, our bank balance increases. As per passbook, increase means credit side. So credit side 200 was recorded by the bank. Bank balance is increasing as per passbook. In cash book, which side we should record? In passbook, credit side means in cash book, debit side. But we should understand, in one book we entered means in another book it is not recorded now. So nothing was debited in cash book. So there is a difference. This is one reason for disagreement. Now what to do? Bank balance as per cash book is given in the question. Rule is adjust cash book as per passbook. As per passbook, bank balance is increased by 200. In cash book, we should also increase. In cash book, increase means debit side. Debit side 200 we should increase. This is our answer. Our answer is coming as increase. Increase means add. So this 200 we should add to that balance.
Under additions, fifth point, interest on investments credited in passbook only, 200 rupees.
Eighth point, last point. Insurance payment of 300 rupees paid by the bank on behalf of the merchant appeared in the passbook. Insurance premium. Firm took one insurance policy, fire insurance policy, marine insurance policy, accidental insurance. Some insurance policy we have taken. We have to pay premium for that. We have given standing instruction to our banker to pay the premium. So from our account, bank paid insurance premium. First, who knows about this? Banker is paying that money. So bank knows about this. With bank, passbook is there. So in passbook, this 300 premium was entered. Which side? From our account, when they pay the premium, our account balance decreases. As per passbook, decrease means debit side. So debit side, 300 was recorded by the banker. As per passbook, 300 bank balance is decreasing. In passbook, debit side means in cash book it should be on credit side. But we should understand that in one book recorded means in another book not recorded. That is why is giving here in question. Now what to do? Cash book we should adjust as per passbook now. As per passbook 300 bank balance is decreased. In cash book we should also decrease. As per cash book decrease means credit side. Credit side 300 rupees we have to record. This is our answer. So our answer is coming as decrease. Decrease means subtract.
Under subtractions, last point, third point, insurance premium debited in passbook only. In inner column, 300 rupees. Now finally, outer column amounts first we should add. 7,579 plus 900 plus 500 plus 100 plus 1000 plus 200 is equal 9,829. Then in inner column we wrote three amounts now. Add these three amounts and write down the total in outer column. 1,120. Finally, from 9,829, you have to subtract 1,120. Now the answer is plus value, no? 8,709. Because 9,829 is more than 1,120. So plus value is coming. If answer is plus value, then in particulars column we have to write favorable bank balance as per passbook. If answer is a minus value, you have to write unfavorable bank balance as per passbook. So this is the end of present video. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you.